Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to a new video. We just got this package in today from Airbrush out in Anaheim. I was very excited, couldn't wait, and it finally arrived. Let's see what I ordered over this Labor Day weekend. I saw they were having a sale. You know, they had some limited edition colors for $59.99. I was like, I gotta get those. So let's go ahead and unbox this right here together. And let's check out those colors and let's see what else I got from Airbrush. Make sure you guys check them out on Instagram, also on Facebook. Bam. All right, let's open this up. There's been tons and tons of cool videos that David Moaning, the owner, has been putting out content regarding Airbrush, tips and tricks. A lot of cool stuff right there. I love House of Color. I use it a lot on my scale model builds. Ooh, check this out. All the goodies. Nice and wrapped. Look at this. This is amazing right here. Imagine getting this for Christmas on your birthday. So dope. All right. Let's get the box out of the way. And let's see right here. Let's see. We're going to have to dissect and get it in this right here. So man, I've been ordering from Airbrush for many years, guys. Lots and lots of years. I used to have a lot of House of Color paint, and you know, as later when I found out, hey, you're gonna be a dad, I ended up, you know, hooking my homies up with my House of Color paint, and I had to start over back again once I started getting back into painting. But it's all good. Little by little, building up the collection of paint. All right, guys, here we have it. And let's see here. So these right here are the 4 limited edition House of Color that I ordered. Let's see. We're going to try to showcase these and see. I don't know how close I can get to the camera. See if it gets some of it right here. Shimmering 2 line right there. Look at that blue. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Nice. It's got some effect in there. Check that out. So this is the first one right here. Look at this one. Even just down here alone, look at that color, how it pops. This one right here. Blue indigo. Look at that. Limited edition color. 4-ounce bottles. These are going to last me a long time, especially throughout projects. Look at this next one right here. This is Don Juan Rose. Look at this pink. This is nice pink right here. Limited edition colors, guys. They still have them available. They were on sale. They're not on sale no more. But still, guys, even if you just get 1 color or 2 or the full set. Ooh, look at that right there. This is, what is this? Violet. It's like a purple right here, man. This is cool. Man, these are very vibrant. I love these. You know, when I saw these, I started to get all these ideas for my model cars, like laying down some bases. Also, like if I want to play around with some like white pearl, doing some fades, maybe like on the fenders, on the edges of the car, you know, playing around with candy, especially, you know, like the model I'm working on right now, the Corvair. This would be a pretty cool, you know, color. Add some effect in there as well. So 4 ounces. These are perfect, especially for us that build model cars. These will last you a long time. But then again, you know, if you're consistently painting, I mean, you're definitely going to run through these bottles for sure. But this is perfect for what we do, you know, especially if, you know, you don't want to commit to like a quart or anything really large. You go with one of these, you know, and this is just nice. I'm so happy to have this in my collection. And then let's see this right here. This is a 1-ounce bottle of the KK11 Apple Red. Check that out right there. I really love these tiny little 1-ounce bottles right here. I love mixing my paint, you know. This is candy concentrate. So it's not like it's ready to spray, nothing like that. I still got to prep it. I got to use the SG100. I got to use the reducer, RU311. I got to use all that and apply the candy right there. Also, another tip, you could always have your pearl already ready to go. You could drop some candy in there, add a little bit of color. Let's say you have the Orion Silver Max. You want to tint that Silver Max. You add some of this in here, some drops. And then bam, later you come back with the candy. So then, you know, you're using less material right there. So this stuff comes in very handy. Okay, so the next product I ordered was this right here. This is the Duke's Paint Quick Dry Gilding Size. This is for leafing, guys. For laying down that leaf, you know. I used to have a little bottle. Like I said, I gave it away to my friend along with my paints. Re-upped, finally. I've been getting some ideas for my Corvair. I've really been thinking about, man, maybe I should pinstripe the side of the Corvair, you know, around this one panel that I want to do. But then I thought, you know what? What if I want to be a little bit more ambitious and I want to lay a line of the gilding size around those edges, and when it's ready, I could start to apply that leaf all around, you know? Been thinking about something like that too. So I think I'm gonna end up going this route because I just got it. I have it now, you know? The weather's it's been hot, but I need to take advantage of this heat, you know, to my benefit, laying down that gild size right there and just waiting for the right moment and start to apply it right there. Later on a future video, I will show you guys my leaves and all the different stuff of things that I have, tools, supplies, and stuff like that for that kind of thing right there. Because I know people are going to be interested in that. People are going to want to do it. You know, House of Kolor, it's been here for a very long time. It's a solid, great product. You get some really amazing results. Right now, I'm on the hunt for colors, you know, limited edition colors right here, new colors, you know. Every time I'm gonna build a new model, I keep thinking, all right, well, what color am I gonna do? Am I gonna do the same colors I've done before, or am I gonna switch it up and try to do something different? You know, I want my cars to stand out. You know, as much as I don't really add too much engine detail or any other type of detail, my thing right now has been focused more on the paint jobs and stuff, or the stance and the way it's gonna look. You know, if I'm gonna make something my strong, I gotta make sure that I pick out the proper colors, you know, and just play with them, learn with them. And man, it satisfies my eyes, you know, just seeing magic come to life, especially when it comes down to clear coating. You bring out all these effects. It's amazing. So shout outs to the people out at Coast Airbrush. David Moni, shout outs to you. Hopefully in the future, we could do a podcast together, have you on as a guest, get to interview you. I think that'd be awesome. Thank you for having the cell too as well. I got this now in hand. Definitely going to put this to use in the future with some builds. And I look forward to, you know, getting some more House of Kolor paint and coming out, visit the shop. Man, look at this color right here. Ooh, look at that. Dang. Here, let's shake this up. Let's shake this up. All right. Look at this. Dude, this is sick right here. I'm excited, man. Looking at these colors right here. Look at this, guys. Here, let me put this up to the camera so you guys could see the number right there. The S2LE15. If you're looking for this color, go on the website, look up that color right there. It's going to be the only place where you're going to be able to buy this in a 4-ounce bottle. You could go bigger in size, 8, 16. But if you want to start off with the 4, go with the 4. Here, let me shake this one up. And I'll show you guys this one again. Let's see. Dude, this pops right here. S2LE14, the Don Juan Rose. Dang. All right. Let's see this one right here. Whoo! Look at this. See this darkness? And then, bam! Look at that. Because I had them laying down. Imagine when you lay this down and you got the sun hitting it. It's going to look amazing. Just the way this is going to pop. So this one is the S2LEO2. Blue by You. What? All right. And then we got the Blue indigo. Psh, man, you can spot this one from miles and miles away, right? Imagine cruising like in a 59 Impala, turning around the corner. Psh, you'll be turning heads for sure. Look at this. Look at that. This is a S2LE11. Man, I'm hyped. Definitely hyped. I'm going to have to look at the other limited edition colors. I'm going to have to probably get the rest. But all right, guys. Thank you for watching. And check out coastairbrush.com. All right, guys. Peace out. Later.